Facts you don't know about dosas. Origin. Dosas originated in South India and have become a staple in Indian cuisine. Ingredients. The main ingredients for dosas include rice and urad dal, black gram batter, which is fermented to achieve the desired texture. Thought. Varieties. Dosas come in various forms, from the classic plain dosa to more elaborate versions like masala dosa, where a spiced potato filling is added. Cooking process. Dosas are typically thin, crispy pancakes cooked on a hot griddle or skillet. The batter is spread thinly and cooked until golden brown. Accompaniments. Dosas are often served with coconut chutney, sambar, a lentil-based vegetable stew, and various other condiments. Healthy option. Dosas can be a healthy choice, as they are low in fat, rich in carbohydrates, and the fermentation process enhances nutrient absorption. International popularity. Dosas have gained popularity beyond India and are enjoyed in various parts of the world. Sekarado. Artistry, versatility. Dosas can be adapted to different tastes by adding various ingredients to the batter or experimenting with different fillings. Whether enjoyed as a breakfast item or a satisfying meal, dosas are celebrated for their delicious taste and versatility in Indian cuisine.